Hey, what's up guys, it's Joel in here, and today in this video, let's do a gaming review of the Apple iPad 9th generation. This is Apple's entry-level iPad for their entire lineup, and it's equipped with the A13 bionic SoC coupled with 3 gigs of RAM, and the one that I have with me is the 64GB. So I will be playing a couple of high-end games here, and let us see how does it handle. So let's get going. So the first game that I'm gonna play is the Call of Duty. Call of Duty, as we know, have the really good graphics. So let's see how the iPad 9 handles the same. As for the graphic quality, when I set it to the very high, so it automatically sets the frame rate to a very high as well. And I cannot go any higher. So let's check out the gameplay with the settings.
Capture the objectives. Enemy taking C. Enemy has Charlie. We're capturing Alpha. Enemy taking B. We captured A. Enemy has B.
Contact with enemy.
Lost A. Capturing B.
Target down.
Capturing C. UAV online. We captured Bravo.
Enemy contact. Enemy down.
All positions locked down. Hold your positions. We captured Charlie. UAV online. Predator missile inbound. Losing Charlie. Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead.
Get back up.
So as you can see, the gameplay is very smooth in this setting. I have not noticed a single frame drop till now in the game. So every movement I made, every shot I took is very smooth without any lag or stutter. So now let's change the frame rate to maximum, and as you can see, the graphic quality automatically reduces to high. So let's try playing.
Capture the objectives. We're capturing C. We captured C. Enemy taking A. Capturing Bravo. Enemy has Alpha. We've taken the lead. We captured B. UAV online. Losing Charlie. We're capturing Alpha. Hawk X3 is ready. We captured A. Hawk X3 deployed. We lost Charlie. Losing Bravo.
So even in this setting, I haven't seen any issues till now. So there's no lag or stutter at all. So yeah, the back gets slightly warm, but that's normal for any device. I don't see any frame drops in this setting as well, and the game is very enjoyable to play as the A13 bionic chip handles it very well. Well, the second game that I'm gonna play here is the F1 2021. The graphics on this game as well are really high end, and the game looks very realistic. So let's start playing. So as you can see from the gameplay, the game runs very smooth. I didn't notice any hiccups or stutters anywhere in the game. So even on turns and bends, the transition feel very smooth and no frame drops were noticed either. But once or twice I noticed that this game abruptly shut down and I had to restart it all over again. But the load times were very fast. So I didn't face any issues playing this game as well. So finally, as for my verdict, now that we played 2 games, the experience was very solid in my opinion. Both the games ran very smoothly at highest graphics settings without any issues. Oh yes, the F1 2021 shut down a couple of times though. We also get an immersive experience in the game with the big screen and equally good speakers. I really wish there were speakers on the top side as well for a more surrounded type experience. Other than that, the gaming was very enjoyable on the iPad 9 Gen and it's very easy to recommend. So guys, that's it for the video and I really hope you liked it. If you did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button or else you can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you haven't and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.